Education is the most powerful weapons which we can use to change the world, said Nelson Mandela. And when talking about change, it all starts from every one of us, right? Hi all, my name is Miora, and I'm here for a reason. It's to incite people to champion the cause of education. You know, as a volunteer, I'm used to teaching different kids from different backgrounds. And once we were in the middle of a session when I asked a question to a whole class. Tell me guys, what would you like to do in the future? What's your dream career? Everybody took turns answering the question until a little girl, an amazing little girl of 13, proudly said, I will be a prime minister. And everybody laughed at her. So my question for you is, if you were there, would you laugh at the little girl as well? Yes, no? And that's the point. It's so sad to see how many people still underestimate the value of education. It's so sad to see how many people think education is just a way to grow up before we are getting married. But they get it all wrong. Education is more than that. Let me tell you, education transforms lives. I strongly believe that no one was born to be poor, and our current situation never defines our future life. If we are all given the opportunity to go to school, I'm pretty sure we are all able to make a great history in our life. Education is freedom, ignorance is jail. Did you know that? Our knowledge will let us be free to use our voice to speak against injustice, gender inequality, to define our rights. Our knowledge will let us explore the whole world, to understand and accept others' differences. Our knowledge will let us expand our network. And it is so sad to see how many kids do not have the rights, the privilege to go to school for so many reasons. It's so sad to see how many boys and girls do not have the privilege to go there, and they're getting married too much earlier. Instead of starting a new year of school, they're actually starting a new year of unfavorable life. And I can really feel that because it really annoys me when my surroundings are telling me, Miora, you are a girl. Don't ever waste your time on your studies, otherwise no one is ever gonna marry you. Or Miora, as a girl, your final career is marriage. But we are already in the 21st century. How is it possible that anyone still thinks that girls' career is marriage? Let me tell you something. I think boys and girls should be sent to school because remember, our responsibility does not stop at home. Our responsibility is also towards our countries. We owe a lot to our countries, and we should empower kids, children, women, men throughout education so that they can participate socially, economically in our countries in order to bring changes. So, if you do have the right to go to school, college, universities, if you do have that privilege to learn new things, please do share with others, because an action that you may consider as a small one can change an entire life of someone else. Together, let's fight for the right to education. Together, let's make the world understand that education matters. People may say, if you are rich, that's all matters. If you have money, that's all matters. But life is more than that. Money can help you survive, but your knowledge will help you live your life, enjoy your life. Money can help you to live your life with freedom. So, I want you to read with me this quote. So, all together, if you are now willing to learn, no one can help you. If you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. Yes, you are unstoppable. And together, let's make this world a better place to live. Thank you.